Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of language learning. And today I will cover on past simple, affirmative and negative form of past simple. As we said, the past simple is a tense in English and it shows the activities that happened in the past and finished. For example, I played video game 2 minutes ago. For example, as we have here ago, it shows the past event, the past tense, and we have here played. Why? Because we must change our main verb into the past form of its shape. For example, played was play. The first form, simple form, was play, and past form is played. And now I'm going to explain about affirmative form. Affirmative means positive form. For example, I saw my friend yesterday. I talked to my teacher. You can don't add the past expression here, the past time expression here. And when we use past form of the verb, we will say our sentence or our intention is for the past. For example, I watched TV. Okay, and it shows the past simple. And okay, for negative form, we must use not. And we must use did plus not. For example, I did or didn't. Didn't is the short form of did not. Sorry. The short form of did not. Didn't is did not. For example, let me erase this. We must change this sentence from positive to negative form. I'll write I didn't watch TV. And when we use of did or didn't, we must change our verb's form to the simple form of it. We won't use of ed at the end of the main verb. We will use of simple form. And let me take another example. I did not read a newspaper. I did not is a complete answer, and if you want to make this answer to short answer, you can delete or remove O here and use apostrophe between N and T. Didn't. Yes. And you can change it to the short form of the answer. Didn't instead of did not. Okay, this was the short form of the past simple tense in affirmative and negative form.